I read recently that LeBron James invests over $1 million per year into improving his body. So essentially, he's investing into the thing that pays him. But let me ask you, how many times are you investing into the very thing that you want to be, or investing into your vision or into your goals? Investing is risky. Investing is scary. I totally get it. But it's something that we should all be doing. In today's video, I want to talk about all the myths as it relates to investing and why you need to prioritize it. The truth is, many of us are scared of investing. Investing feels risky. Investing is not something that most of us talk about, but the world's most successful people value investing. They see the benefits of it. And for me, what I take that in as is that if we want to also be successful, we actually want to be able to move towards our goals, we have to prioritize investing as well. When I first started my business, I wanted to try to just do it all myself. I didn't want to invest, but I realized really quick that I was wasting a lot of time and a lot of energy and a lot of effort trying to figure it out instead of investing in my continued growth and development. If you want to up-level your mind, your life, your success, or your business, or anything like that, is going to require investing. Now, the number one myth as it relates to investing is that it has to be financial. Investing could be as simple as investing your time by listening to podcasts instead of listening to the radio. It could be investing your time by reading books instead of watching Netflix. Investing could also be a financial aspect. Overall, if you want to expand and grow, investing has to take place. The number one benefit of investing is it increases your self-confidence. When you increase your self-confidence, that impacts the way you show up and relate to other people. It impacts the way you make decisions, how you take actions, and all of the things. So when you invest in yourself, think about the level of confidence that you will have. For me, when I started to invest in myself, I raised my rates as a coach because for me, I knew that I could bring shifts and changes and results for my clients that before I wasn't so certain about. I didn't know if I was a good coach or a qualified or called coach. And after investing in myself, I realized that this is where I was supposed to be, and my confidence started to increase. I put myself out there for speaking engagements, which to this day I still get so nervous about. But again, my confidence level changed. So think about it. If you invested in yourself, how would your confidence change? The second reason investing is so powerful is it broadens your perspective. Your perspective determines the way you give things meaning, the way you relate to things. And when you broaden your perspective, you learn and bring in new awarenesses. So for me, I started business thinking that you had to be all focused on strategy, system, all the things. But then I realized that mindset is valuable. And I broadened my learnings and my awarenesses as it related to mindset. And I started to experience this within myself. And I started to bring it to the work that I do with my clients as well. And shifting my perspective literally shifted the way I showed up for my clients and shifted the success I was able to call into my business simply by shifting my perspective and my view. Another benefit of investing in yourself is you realize that you're your greatest asset, and you are. We invest in things every single day, like driving to Starbucks and buying a $5 coffee. And we're investing in Starbucks and their growth and their expansion, but how are you investing in yourself? When you do that, you get to challenge your beliefs and you get to align with who it is that you're called to be. Because remember, our beliefs and our actions determine our reality. I'm going to say this, but I'm going to say it from a place of compassion, and I need you to trust me on this. Right here, right now, where you're at and who you are is a result of the decisions that you made yesterday. And if you look at right here, right now, who you are and where you are, and you don't like it, you get to make new decisions today that impact your future moving forward. So what I'm going to challenge you with today is I'm going to challenge you to consider a goal that you're working on, a goal that you have for yourself, a vision that you want to move towards. And then I want you to determine what is a choice that you can make today, free, paid, time, or financial, a choice that you can make today that will push you one step closer to that vision.